Traders, let me show you how I just made more than 2,000 US dollars trading NFP, and you can apply this same concept and trade the upcoming March NFP and be able to make money from the forex market. If you are new around here, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you never miss out whenever we post a video. Let's get started. Traders, first things first, what is NFP? NFP stands for non-farm payrolls. Non-farm payrolls are mostly the measuring how many jobs have been added to the US economy, excluding the social workers and the farm workers. This is a very big indicator to the US economy to show that the US economy is healthy or unhealthy. Because remember, NFP is one of the strongest economic events in Forex. This is my analysis right here. This one right here. This is the trade that I took and made money off. This one right here that you're seeing on your right side of the screen. I've made money off this big drop. Now let me show you how I did on this blank page search. Next time an NFP drops, probably you also make money off it. First things first, guys, make sure to always check your daily time frame for market structure. And the market structure we currently see is an uptrend market. You can see we have price pushing up to the upper side, meaning this is an uptrend market. But when you look closely here, we had price break this part right here, meaning now price is trading downward. So meaning if you had to draw your trend line, you would connect, let's say, these 2 points just like this. You see, meaning now price is trading below our trend line, and that indicates that this is a downtrend market. Obviously we have to look for sales. Now traders, when you come to your 1 hour candle, you can see that price is ranging. Price has been ranging from almost, let's say from 23rd of Jan. Price has been just ranging up and down, up and down. You understand, guys? Meaning we have a ranging market. And what do we have? What do you know about a ranging market? A ranging market, we always buy when price is below right here and here, and then we sell when price comes here, here, and also here. But now let me show you an easier way you can trade this. The first thing, we had a supply zone, and this is the supply zone up here, as you can see. Most of you guys would be wondering, what is a supply zone? A supply zone is any zone in the market that causes a downside move. You see, this is a downside move, and this is aggressively. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 big candles, meaning this is aggressive selling. Supply only happens when we have so many sellers, meaning here sellers who have very many in the market. Anytime when price comes back up here, it's trying to balance the market, because whenever this supply zone happens or it's left in the market, where we see things like fair value gap, and you can see clearly we had a small fair value gap right here, and we can't let it just go like that. This is our small fair value gap, and you can see obviously price came here one time, as you can see, and then price has to come. It just to retest this part right here multiple times, because remember this is a ranging market. Now before I go any further, traders, I want you to note this down, that anytime when NFP is happening, price is at a turning point. Anytime when NFP is happening, price is at a turning point, and I've made so many videos about that. That's why you see price was currently at this point right here. You see, again, that's why we see price before NFP dropped in the last hour, we had price just consolidating from up here. You see, guys, but we shouldn't forget the fact that this was a supply zone. A supply zone, we only expect selling. And anytime when price comes back to a supply zone, we are only looking for sales trades only, guys. Now the other thing we had a rising wedge. A rising wedge is a reversal pattern to the downside. Anytime when you see this also, you know that price is just going to reverse. You can see this, traders, that is a rising wedge. Now you can see we had a supply zone, we had a rising wedge that tells us price is going to reverse. Now our last puzzle piece is always the economic data, because remember, we want to always make our technical analysis be in line with the fundamentals. I come to First Bull page right here. As you can see, this is firstbull.com. So when I open my firstbull.com right here, guys, I'm going to come to the economic calendar right here. Now this economic calendar, you're going to already see the economic events that are going to happen. Remember, whenever I'm using the economic calendar, I come to screen here, and then I come to more. What I want is to only have high volatile news. This is what I want here. You see, high volatile news only. I don't tick this one, I don't take this one. So I make sure these are blank and only leave this one right here. Reason why, these are the only economic events that are going to really move the markets. When we come back to economic calendar right here, you can see we have NFP. And remember, traders, we said NFP stands for non-farm payroll. This is the economic event that we're interested in, this one right here. Now, this economic event, obviously, they're always going to give you the previous data. You can see here we have previous, and then we have the forecast. Forecast means what they think, then we have the actual. Now, the previous data, remember we said these are jobs added to the US economy. If you don't understand this, you can always click this and be able to read through what non-farm payrolls are. You can see, traders, our previous data was 333k, then the forecast was 180k, and then now the actual was 355. Anytime when this number comes when it's higher than, so anytime when you see a higher number, this one right here, when it's higher than the forecast, it means dollar is healthy. It means more jobs have been added to the US economy. But if this number, it came out lower than this one right here, it means the dollar would be falling. But now you can see we had 353k more jobs were added to the US economy, meaning there is more employment opportunities in the US. And you can even see here which pairs are affected. When you tap gold, gold was affected, it was selling. Same to silver, silver was selling also, meaning when you tap silver like this, you're going to see it selling. But when you tap a pair like a dollar pair like this one, you're going to see it's bullish. You can see, traders, this was the news that dropped. You can see now our analysis was just in line with what was going to drop, guys. Remember, we had a strong rising wedge, we had a supply zone, and also we had things like fair value gap. Now you can see clearly we had fair value gap right here, meaning now price had to drop aggressively to take out that fair value gap. Since when price was pushing up like this, you see it went up aggressively. Also the time what happens this side happens also this side. That's why price dropped aggressively, obviously, because we had that economic event that we call NFP. And remember, traders, NFP is released by the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, guys. This was our trade, guys. We are targeting this level right here when price breaks that level, and obviously we are setting sell stops, meaning we wanted price, if it drops, it lets it just continue dropping. Putting my stop loss just up here. I was risking only 15 pips, as you can see, guys, and my target was 40 pips where my fair value gap is. But remember, fair value gap is liquidity, and sometimes it's just imbalance in the market. Anytime when you have imbalance in the market, price has to come back down and fill up the imbalance. You can see, guys, this was our nice trade, guys. Anytime when you see such a market, you can always trade, and this is how you interpret markets, guys. If you are to draw this down a line right here, you can clearly see that we had a clear ranging market. You see, traders, a ranging market goes up and down, up and down. The same thing that just happened here, up and down. You can literally see, guys. The next time you're trading NFP, make sure to trade pure price action and make sure that it's in line with your fundamentals. And don't forget, check Fast Bull. Get your Fast Bull account right now, so you're updated of every data that comes out in the economic, in the forex world, guys. And traders, this is how you trade high value setups in the forex market, you see. But obviously, when you look at my analysis, it's very dirty. You see, guys, I don't just fall on this pair. I've been monitoring this pair for the longest, guys. Don't think I just pop up and just start trading that pair. You can see I've been trading this pair for the longest, guys. I know every time whenever this is going to happen. You can see, traders, you see, now price has come down here to my demand zone. You can see now this is why I'm going to be expecting buy trades. You see, but right now I've already eaten. I've eaten more than I don't know how many times on this pair. I've taken out so many trades. You see, traders, whenever you're trading, trade one pair, analyze that. I've been trading so far this year started. I've been trading Euro JPY and Euro USD and GBP JPY only. You see, traders, I don't just jump and then be trading anyhow just because I'm seeing this. Monitor one pair, and that will help you understand and have an edge over it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget, traders, Fast Bull, the best platform for us to get our nice economic data. I'll see you in my next. God bless you.